Hey YouTubers, how are you getting on today? So today I'm going to teach you how to use and set up a laser level. Let's go! Okay, so when setting up a laser level for like a big project like laying a path or leveling a big area, you can use, obviously you could use a little level, like hand bricklayer's level, but that's not going to give you the accuracy you want over longer distances. So setting up a laser level is probably the best investment that you will ever make if you rent one for the weekend, or if you're going to be doing a big project buying one. But basically your laser level comes in two parts. You've got the main head, which is like the level, and then you've got the receiver, which is basically what tells you how far towards level you are. So you also have a tripod and a staff. So the first thing to do is to get your head. Now when you're setting up the tripod, you want to try and get the top of the tripod head as level as possible. This laser level automatically levels, and most new ones do. Some old ones will have a couple of spirit level bubbles, so you have to adjust them with wheels. So this one's nice and easy, but it does have a limit as to how far off level it can re-level itself. So you want your tripod as level as you can, and then that literally just screws in the bottom like that. Then when you turn it on, it's going to automatically level itself. Then you've got your staff. Now this is made up of 4 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, and can be really long, and they're telescopic, and they have a hole in the back of each one where it will clip into place. Now I know that this is roughly where it's going to be level, so my receiver is going to want to be around there somewhere. Okay, so what you do is you turn the level on, that will level itself, and then what we do is we put the bottom of the staff on what's called our datum, which is an area that is the correct level. So for here it will be part of the path, or for you it might be like the first brick that you've laid, or the first paving slab that you've laid, and then you can use this as from that point on. So you turn on the level, you can hear it whirling while it's leveling itself, and then when it's level it will start spinning and emit a laser. There we go. And then you turn on the receiver, which is the on button, and then you can hear it bleeps saying up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 up. And when you get it perfect, it'll be a constant tone. Okay, so then you get your level, you put it on the area that is already level, and you put your receiver on your staff. Okay, then you slowly slide, holding the staff level, you slowly slide the level down, following the instructions on the screen. That's saying it wants to go up 15 millimeters. So slowly slide it up, and that is level, and I tighten up the wheel, and that is now level. So now you can get your laser level and set it up properly. Let's go.